How cute is this? Okay, look at the ghost and a pumpkin. So this is a cup. Okay, canteen. Oh, child, I like this. Okay, tumbler with the straws. Child. You, ooh, I'm getting excited. I'm getting excited just being here. Okay, look at the kitchen towels. Happy Halloween. Work your magic. Bon appetit. This is very, very cute. Okay, so if you are a parent like me and you don't like your children to have all that candy, they even have the mini buckets. Okay, mini buckets. So these buckets come in orange, green, and black, and also in white. And 4 come in a pack. Okay, so they also have this right here, decor hanging sign. Okay, and this pretty much says beware. Okay, so this is really, really cute. They have the mummy right here. Okay, the witch, the skeleton, and child, look at this, the bed. This is very, very cute. And then they also have this trick or treat, beware haunted house. Hold on, child. All right, pick your poison. Oh, this is nice. I like this. Witch, brew, spider venom, poison. Cute. Okay, so they have this big spider over here, spider ornament. Okay, and I guess that's for the Halloween tree that they have over here. But ooh, look at this. This is cute. I did the right thing. I did the right thing by keeping my money in the house. I did the right thing. Okay, look at this. This is very, very nice. The skull head. Okay, so they have the garland over here, the skeletons right here. Peace, family. Peace, peace, peace. I hope you guys are having such an amazing day. So we in for a treat today. Okay, child? We are back at the Dollar Tree. Let's see what they have. It's okay. Okay, so they pretty much have the same exact thing for us, like the item of the week. Well, right now they have some tackies, some blue tackies. What? Okay, they have some skinny popcorn. Okay. All right, and then they still have the water and then the energizer drinks, the energy drinks. Okay, so they have these cute Halloween socks right here, okay? With the skeletons dancing, very, very nice. The ghost, ooh, child. Very cute. Hold on. Oh, and then eyeballs. Okay, so they have the multi-purpose bandanas over here. Very nice. You know I got some goodies for you, right? Stay tuned. Okay, so they have chair covers over here. They have hopping toys, vampire blood, party drink bag. Ooh, this is nice. Ooh, really cute. Oh, I'm on it. But get into this. The candy bottles. Oh, I thought this was glass, but this is plastic. But it's still cute. Snake venom, bone dust. Oh, child, speak to me. Okay. And then they also have some table covers. They have this basket for the Halloween candy. Some napkins over here. Steamless glass. Now this is plexiglass. Ooh, 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 chill. No, they didn't. No, they didn't. Look at this. With the little wine. With the wine, I need you to get into it real good. Okay, the wine glass with the witch's hand or the skeleton hand. Whichever one hand. Nice. They also have these, okay? for the candy or whatever it is that you want to put in there. All right. And then they also have these napkins over here. Honey, why they have tombstones? Okay, why they have tombstones here? Okay, so they have these mini cups right here. Okay, with the hands, and this is 4-piece. Okay, and they come in different colors. They also have the skull head. Okay, this candy jar right here, which comes in clear and black. They also have these trays right here. Okay, this comes in purple and also in black. Okay, so they also have this notepads, eat sweets and be spooky, shake your bones. 2 notepads come in a pack. Okay, so they also have this mist maker lighted skull, and those come in white and black. And then they also have the bowl. Okay, but hold on, they also have the mist maker lighted heart. So this is really cute. Okay, for the popcorn, they have like 2 different sizes. This size right here, and then they also have this one. Okay, so this is the first time I have seen this, the woven baskets. And they come in different colors. So it's the brown and white, then just the brown. And then they have another brown over here. Okay, so this is definitely new. These jars right here, these are so cute. These are nice. I like these. This is new as well. These flower LED lights. How cute is this? They come in 4 different colors. Nice. Okay. This is new, pineapple papaya, or is it? I feel like I've seen this already. But you know what? Let's take a sniff and see how it smells. It smells like pineapple a little bit, but it don't give that overpowering smell. You get what I'm saying? Like, is the pineapple so strong it just knocks your socks off? It don't give it that smell. Okay, just a little bit you smell it. I showed you guys this nail polish yesterday. Okay, and yesterday is when I first seen it, so they already, honey, the people is buying this up. As you can see, look it down here, almost empty. Okay, so you better come on down to Dollar Tree while they still have this up here. Okay, they even have the glow tips. I showed you guys the glow tips, the nail decals, the nail adhesive tabs. I don't know about that nail adhesive tabs. I think you still gonna need to use some glue, boo. Okay. All right, so you guys know I had showed you guys this product yesterday. In fact, I even brought me a bottle. Honey, they done emptied this. Okay, this, and it's too soon for me to see exactly like how the product is. I know the product, it was, you know, my face felt smooth, but let me give it a few more days. And also this product right here on Amazon is like $5, okay? And it's the same as a dupe, okay? Skin Nutrition Botanicas, all right? Okay, so this is definitely new. These beauty puffs right here, this is definitely new. They also come in a different color. They also have pink up here. This is new as well, these mini sponges. This is new as well, short and fresh. Okay, citrus tangerine scented, 32 wipes with aloe and chamomile, alcohol free. And you know the next. So yesterday I had got this, Your Peachy. This is pretty much a lip balm from LA Colors. It's good. The only thing is with the top. Okay, so I don't know if it was because I had it in my bag and my bag had some stuff in here, but the top, once you put it on, it was falling off a little. But this is not bad for $1.25, and as you can see, is like 3 left. Okay, so this Dollar Tree that's next to me, they do have these sponges, and I guess they just brought these out. I showed you guys this yesterday at the other Dollar Tree that I was in. This is blend, contour, and highlights, which comes in different colors. So they have the pink and the purple, and then they also have the green up here. So these eyelashes I like, how they look wispy. One of the Dollar Tree employees, okay, really, really amazing. One of the things she said the eyelashes, she buys her eyelashes from here, and they really, really good. Let me know in the comments if you guys have ever bought Dollar Tree eyelashes, and if so, how are they? Okay, would you consider this as a dupe? Okay, the Skippy Salted Nut Roll. This puts me in a mind of, is it a Baby Ruth? I think it's the Baby Ruth. It's one of them. But this puts me in a mind of that. Okay, so this is definitely new. This is a light mix, sound responsive string lights, LED lights that sync to your music. What? What in the world? All right, child. This is $5. Ooh, I like that. Dollar Tree also have these bowls right here. Well, styrofoam. Okay, and I think, is it, oh, okay, so 2 comes in a pack, and they have different things on there, like witch's brew, pumpkins, bats, lollipop candy, whatever. So it comes with 2 different designs, this design, and then they also have the black and white in the back. They also have these Halloween plates. So it also comes with the cat. This is cute. The ghost, and then a bunch of friends right here. Family, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and I catch you guys on the next one. Peace.